It is 7:56 in the morning, and I cannot sleep one bit. Sad face. And it's really bright outside right now. Really bright. So I'm just gonna put... Sheesh. It's too early. I just can't go to sleep right now. Don't know why. It's really frustrating. I'm even wrap my hair up and everything. Hence the hat. So, that's it. Everybody is sound asleep but me. Except for my brother, he just went to sleep. Look at him. He can't go to sleep. So I'm just gonna put these back on. I cannot sleep. Struggle. Not really doing anything right now, so I'm just gonna say bye-bye. So bye.